Hello, my loves. Welcome back. Today we are going to focus on the heart chakra, which is represented here, as well as a sacred geometric shape to help with you receiving the light code download for the sacral chakra as we go through our healing process of clearing out and stabilizing your chakras. So welcome to the heart. It's represented by the color green. It's in the middle of your chest area, and it is about the ability to support and love deeply and unconditionally. Healing properties that this chakra gives allows you to harmonize the mind and the body. This is also about love and self-love, the power and your own power in the realization of what love means to you and how you want to receive it. Balancing of the spiritual and material values associated with love and unconditional love. Justice and beauty. The female aesthetic force of expression. And it's also represented by the infinity symbol, which is the number 8, which balances and connects the past and future by the present. Over here, we have some Reiki symbols that we will be using through this session to help to help radiate the energy that we're going to be using for the clearing with the sound bowl. But before we do that, I want to talk about some challenges that you could be experiencing if you are having an unbalanced heart chakra. So you could be on an emotional roller coaster with memories and negative emotions regarding the past, having an issue letting go, always considering reconciliation, and getting greed from your greeds. Oh my God. Getting freed from emotional games. I don't know what I was saying. I'm sorry. So it's like your heart chakra, this power center, this ability to love. Another stone that we can study as we look at the heart chakra to help with the meditation that we're about to do to help clear your heart chakra is the emerald. It is also represented on a geometric shape, but the emerald is about spring, unity, and vitality. It's lush and reminiscent of the green of spring. Emerald is known as the stone of successful love, stimulating loyalty, partnership, and friendship. Emerald opens the heart chakra, healing the auric field with unconditional love, hope, and joy. With exuberance and lust for life, the emerald is a sign for new beginnings and a fresh step in life, radiating health, prosperity, and vitality. Grow in the direction of your dreams and nurture yourself along the way. You deserve the riches that life has to offer you. The emerald helps also on the sign of Sagittarius. Venus and Mars are the planets that it represents. So we welcome in the energies of the emerald to this healing session. I don't know why I say section. And everything is falling apart. No, I was joking. Just gotta move some things over and up. Okay. So, welcome to the Sound Bells meditation. We are going to work on opening up your heart chakra, balancing it out, and filling it up with unconditional love, okay? finish it. Okay, very good. There was a pause in the healing. I know you noticed it. And so I love that happened. It was a positive sign for me. So congratulations on the work that you're doing to heal your heart chakra. I am sending you with love, light, and direction. I pray that this video helped you and that you continue your journey as we go to the throat chakra next. But if this is where we end, I so appreciate you and thank you for letting me help you open your heart chakra and balancing it, initiate the light codes, and anchor down all of the good things that are in store for you. Have a wonderful day.